अगली बार सावधान रहना। Be careful next time. Be careful next time. उसने वादा किया था लेकिन निभाया नहीं। He promised but didn't keep it. He promised but didn't keep it. ट्रेन छूट गई। The train has left. The train has left. यह गाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है। I really like this song. I really like this song. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. धन्यवाद, आपने मेरी मदद की। Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. मुझे लगता है यह सही निर्णय है। I think this is the right decision. I think this is the right decision. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं। You speak very well. You speak very well. मैंने उसे मना किया था फिर भी वह गया। I warned him yet he went. I warned him yet he went. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? चलिए मिलकर काम करते हैं। Let's work together. Let's work together. वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? मोबाइल साइलेंट पर रखो। Put the phone on silent. Put the phone on silent. मुझे यह जगह बहुत पसंद है। I really like this place. I really like this place. डर के आगे जीत है। Victory lies beyond fear. Victory lies beyond fear. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं मांगा। I didn't ask him for anything. I didn't ask him for anything. मैं वहां कभी नहीं गया। I have never been there. I have never been there. यह इतना आसान नहीं है। It's not that easy. It's not that easy. हम कब निकलेंगे? When will we leave? When will we leave? हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? What should we do now? मेरी राय में वह सही है। In my opinion, he is right. In my opinion, he is right. क्या बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain? Is it going to rain? तुम्हें यह किताब कहाँ से मिली? Where did you get this book from? Where did you get this book from? मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand anything. I didn't understand anything. हमने नया घर खरीदा है। We have bought a new house. We have bought a new house. उसे अंदर आने दो। Let him come in. Let him come in. जो भी हो सच बोलना जरूरी है. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. मुझे थोड़ी देर की नींद चाहिए. I need a short nap. I need a short nap. मुझे लगता है कि यह ठीक नहीं है. I think this is not right. I think this is not right. वह परीक्षा में पास नहीं हुआ. He didn't pass the exam. He did not pass the exam. पहाड़ों का दृश्य बहुत सुंदर था. The view of the mountains was beautiful. The view of the mountains was beautiful. मैं दूध नहीं पीता. I do not drink milk. I don't drink milk. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? उसने परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक प्राप्त किए. He scored good marks in the exam. He scored good marks in the exam. यह काम मुझे पसंद है. I like this work. I like this work. वह जितना दिखता है उतना सरल नहीं है. He is not as simple as he looks. He is not as simple as he looks. मुझे अपने फैसले पर पछतावा नहीं है. I don't regret my decision. I don't regret my decision. मुझे अपने दस्तावेज दिखाने दो. Let me show my documents. Let me show my documents. सच बोलो. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. उन्होंने हमें नाश्ता कराया. They served us breakfast. They served us breakfast. तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. हाँ मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. वह समय पर नहीं आता. He doesn't come on time. He doesn't come on time. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? हमें यह प्रस्ताव स्वीकार नहीं है. We don't accept this proposal. We do not accept this proposal. तुम्हें कौन सी भाषा आती है? Which language do you know? Which language do you know? मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम उसे माफ कर दो. I want you to forgive him. I want you to forgive him. क्या तुमने होमवर्क कर लिया? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? अंदर आ जाइए. Please come in. Please come in. क्या आप दोबारा समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain again? Can you explain again? जब वह आया तब मैं जा चुका था। I had left when he arrived. I had left when he arrived. कृपया मुझे माफ कर दें। Please forgive me. Please forgive me. कुछ खास नहीं, बस थक गया हूं। Nothing much, just tired. Nothing much, just tired. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? उसका स्वभाव बहुत सौम्य है। His nature is very gentle. His nature is very gentle. मुझे क्षमा करें, मैं देर से आया। Sorry, I came late. Sorry, I came late. अपना काम खत्म करो। Finish your work. Finish your work. फिर मिलेंगे। See you again. See you again.